Good morning, guys. How did everyone sleep?
Good, but
Were you
bad.
Oh.
Well, it's colder if you sleep under the fireplace when it's on. The chimney will let cold air in. Funny, when I came downstairs, I think when they went to bed, they were like from here all the way to the other side of the room.
Yep.
This morning, they were from here to like right here, all four of them.
It's the last day of school for you.
Logan. It's the last
Logan.
time waking up in this house. Yeah, waking up and getting ready for school. With an empty house.
So say goodbye to your teachers and your friends. Okay. Love you, love you. You look like handsome little cuties.
I remember when we were on the furniture over there, we were stretched up in a blanket, and it was more sad you telling us that we're moving, but now it's not.
Yeah, we've kind of come to terms with it.
My best friend doesn't know that today is my last day, so I'm going to go to her house, and when I was in 6th grade, I'd always knock on her door when we walked to school, so I'm going to do that since it's our last day.
Oh,
So-
that's fun. So she thought yesterday was your last day.
Yeah.
Okay, have fun. Love you. Oh, your teacher wants to talk to you today. Ask your last person, or go see him on your lunch break or something. See if you can go see him.
I'll try my best.
Do what you can. Okay, love you, bye.
Bye.
Good morning. We woke up to snow. Joel texted me and was like, I am freezing. I need Carhartt overalls ASAP. I just got done editing and uploading 2 vlogs, which means that our weekend is open and clear so that we can, you know, move out of our house. We have leftovers from the other night. I am starving. It is 10:30 and I'm gonna have Chipotle for breakfast. Cheers. Got up this morning and put on the same outfit as yesterday because we're trying not to pile up the laundry around here. Yeah, is it dirty from yesterday and moving? Am I gonna get dirty again today packing and moving? So, you know, we're just gonna wear it again. We're just gonna wear it again. However, I did take the most glorious bath this morning, and when I was in the bathtub, I'm like, oh my heck, this is gonna be the last shower, no tub. I'm gonna shower tomorrow, probably tonight. It was my last bath in my bathtub. I love that bathtub. Ask me how many times that wig has scared me. 1. Ask me how many times that wig has scared me. Because I can promise you it's been more than a handful of times. Which leads me to my question. Do you guys sleep with your closet doors open? My boys, they sleep with their closet doors open, and that's just not for me. Is there a right or wrong way to sleep with your closet doors open or closed? For me, the right answer is doors closed. That's it. That's all I'm saying. I should wear her more. She cute. Ooh, she's cute. I should be Olivia for Halloween. I am so glad that you're home. Watch this. Do it again.
High five.
Can you do it one more time?
High five if you're lazy.
Aww. I'm seriously so relieved that you're home.
I felt bad leaving the guys out there.
I know.
Sorry.
I know. Were they okay?
Oh yeah. They got a tractor stuck yesterday, and I couldn't. They called me to come help them, but I couldn't break away, and so they had to use the backhoe. And
Did they get it out?
yeah, one of them's operated one before. So
Oh, good. I thought
they
that
were
they
done.
weren't going to be out when you got there.
I didn't know because I didn't hear from them, but it was good.
Oh,
But
good.
we've had to postpone a few things because
Dang it.
it's just. So
Did you tell
mucky.
them? Oh, mucky. Okay, I thought you were saying that you had to postpone because you've had to be here
No, they're just doing
a little bit more.
They're not. They're just checking off like boxes that are like, I don't know, go back over later. They're just getting it done now, which is great.
Okay. You gotta do your closet.
She's done.
You have so much. And I already took 1 or 2 boxes out of here. It's like, I'm amazed at how much we can pack in this house. Okay.
I don't want to expand when we move to the new house. Like,
I don't either.
our stuff. I don't want to fill it.
I don't either. When we moved into this house, it felt so empty, and we were like, we're never gonna be able to fill this place. I think we need to get back to that.
We also, well, that means we got to get rid of 4 kids in the dog.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. But we should minimize our
I don't want to like minimalist, because that is not who I am.
Right, me neither.
But I don't want to just bring
like,
stuff in if we don't have to.
I think I've had like, I wouldn't even tell you how many boxes I've had of clothes. And I wear the same thing all the time. I have all these clothes and I wear the same thing all the time. But there's travel clothes, there's RV clothes, there's dress clothes, there's event clothes, there's lounge clothes. Which, if you're looking for
Get it, plug it.
He's like, are you kidding me? No, I am not kidding you. Yeah, Bali robes. We are running out of sizes because everyone's getting them for the holidays. I'm locking you into a tripod. There we go.
Got it.
And I have a discount code for you. So if you guys want a discount on the robes, and you still need, and there's a few sizes, well, there's sizes small through 2XL, which usually we have extra small through 3XL. Those other sizes have sold out. So use the discount code in the description if you need a bomb robe, which everyone does. My mom got this piano for Joel and I when we got married as a wedding gift. We've had it in this home forever. We originally had it in a teeny tiny apartment, and she looks in fantastic shape, if you ask me. So we're about ready to move her.
1, 2, 3. Well, there's a quarter and a penny. You made a little money by moving the piano.
Yeah.
That's what you call games.
Take them where you can get them. Take them where you can get them.
Yeah.
The pencil right there for the house.
There's wow.
All the goodies.
All the goodies.
I'm sure.
All the toys.
You know, it could be worse.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, this is nothing. We get all kinds of goodies.
I'm sure.
Dead mice.
Dead mice? Oh my gosh.
The dead mice ones, we always get that one.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm pretty sure this is the guy that moved our piano in for us. In fact, I know it is.
When we finish the floors?
Yep.
Because we moved it from our apartment to here.
Yep, and then from here into the garage. Bo moved it for us here, didn't he?
Bo and my brothers,
Yeah.
Jeremiah and me.
And then we've hired movers since after that.
Well, we did
Hire movers, they know what they're doing.
Was a professional mover at one point.
Yeah, my brother
For
did move pianos. That guy said he's 15,000 pianos in.
Holy cow, how many broken?
How many scratched? How many dented?
He's all 14 or 15,000's the charm.
Well, you know, this is not bad.
Look at that little
Look at
toy.
that.
That's a little toy.
Yeah, it is one of our little toys. That is
I think this
not
is one of Cody's
bad.
keys.
Sorry. What's in that box?
Close the massage gun.
Okay, take it to the front door. Wow. Very strong. Put it next to the other boys' clothes. We've got Boston's clothes that he packed. We've got Cody's clothes that he packed. And Lincoln, where's your box? Oh! And this was the collaborative boys box. Can you get yours, do you think? All right. Lincoln, what did you find under there?
An audiobook from my Yoto player.
Oh my heck. Oh my gosh, I did not know that was under there, or I would not have left it. Oh my gosh. Okay, open this garbage sack and stick all the garbage quickly before he comes out and sees. Well, a pillowcase full of, this goes in the cold, or that goes in the white trailer.
I remember this.
Wait, yeah, that goes in the white
I
trailer.
got this at the start of the year. It says, welcome to 2nd grade, you're one smart cookie. And I got some Oreos.
Oh yeah.
Oh my. Hey.
Cody, don't throw away my mochi!
Okay, I'll go through it and I'll look at them.
Cody!
I will go through and look at them. I will go through and get them. Honey, I told him to throw them away. I told him to throw them away. If you want, we can put them in your backpack. Okay, I'll get them out. You go get everything else underneath your bed. Why did you throw his mochis away, Cody?
You told me to!
Lincoln, get everything out from under the bed.
Hey, go get it.
Okay, there's a lot of mochis in here.
Can we just keep them thrown away?
What? Okay, who's around? Go put this in Lincoln's backpack. Go put it in his backpack for him. Oh, good. You know, a toothbrush that, you know, I constantly am replacing. Oh, a seashell.
Yes.
Interesting.
Grayson gave me it. Little Grayson gave me it. Did you draw that?
No, do you want to know where that came from?
No.
Joel sent that to me when Joel was on his mission.
I picked this up in Salem, Oregon.
Aww.
Clay made a replica of that. Really? Yeah, and it looks so good. He also drew a White House. Clay.
Aww.
Really?
I didn't know you could.
He's a really good artist. He drew a light tower. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Awesome. Okay, do we have everything out?
No.
Okay, bring it. Just throw it on out. We might come in and interrupt you, but
Here's what it
I
is.
say we.
Make like a tree and leaf.
We'll take this with us right now too. Joel, I feel like our house is the Mary Poppins bag. Every time I think we're done, I'm like, oh wait, we have the TV, we have the chair, we have this. We're gonna vacuum our way out of the house tomorrow. I want to vacuum you, yes. Stick you in my vacuum and dump you in the garbage can. Lincoln, lay down.
We put it in the garbage truck and put it in the garbage place and then we get dumped and lit on fire.
Thank you for cleaning all the bathrooms. That was very helpful. I did not want the clothes are laid out for tomorrow. We need to take this. Oh. Excuse me. I mean, I don't want to interrupt, but Olivia, I'm going to miss your wallpaper.
I know, me too.
Okay, it is time for bed though. We got beds moved out. Pictures are off the walls. Pictures are off the walls. And we weren't able to film any of that because I'm like doing the best I can here with using what absolute little muscle strength I have. And so to be like, it is everything in me just to help Joel move the items from our house, let alone trying to film them. And you know, it's not like it's pretty. It's not like it's graceful by any means. So we just took a late night run to the storage unit. We almost got locked out because there's hours, you know. Anyway, we got it moved. This is our very last night in this house. And I kind of had envisioned this like, I don't know, like emotional or like something, and you know, that just didn't happen. The kids were hyper. Joel was short, I was short because, you know, we're tired and our backs hurt a lot. And anyway, I could not leave this house without having one last dinner with our neighbors. Joel is editing a today's task video. Joel, what's it on?
Some of our walls.
Okay, I'm working on a framing video and it's not out yet, but if you guys want a sneak peek of the framing of our house, you need to go watch Joel's videos. And did you know we're doing once Joel hits 100,000 subscribers, we're gonna choose 10 people, I just bet, 10 people to travel to and to work on a task in the winners' homes. So if you want to be entered in that, you need to go subscribe and then we'll do the giveaway. I think people thought that you had to like, that they were entering a giveaway in the comments, because I'm like, people are DMing me and like Anyway, we're not doing the giveaway yet. It's when Joel hits 100,000 subscribers on his channel. So I'll put that information in the description for you guys. I don't know how I got off on that. Anyway, we needed one more dinner. Oh, I was telling you what Joel is doing. He's editing, so go watch that video. But tonight, we had to have one last dinner with our neighbors because they have just been such a huge part of our lives for the last so many years. And so we had them over. We had Indian food. Their daughter brought this like disco light. The kids had like a dance party, and it was just like, that was just for us to enjoy. And I just am so grateful for those neighbors. I remember and I don't know, you know, this might be boring, but I'm gonna tell you anyway, because I'm a little chatty Cathy, and you know, I've got nothing else to do because Joel's editing. So when we very first moved into the ward, they were out working in their yard, and I remember I had like this like slicked back pony. We were going on a date night. My makeup was like, looking back, I'm like, they probably thought I was nuts. But anyway, we rolled the window down and we're like, hey neighbors, like, how are you? They didn't have any kids at the time, and they were just the cutest couple. They were the cutest couple, and we just loved them from the moment they moved in. And we just have been good friends. Anytime we need eggs or anything, we go to her house. She would always call and need little, you know, baking powder, baking soda from us. And it was funny because anytime her husband would be out of town, she would text me and be like, just so you know, my husband's out of town. And you know, so I'd keep an eye on her. Joel and I would keep an eye on her. And then when like Joel was out of town or something, I'm like, just so you know, I'm over here by myself, so keep an eye out for me. And it was a nice security having such fun, good neighbors. And they've been a huge part of our lives. But we haven't like filmed them or anything, and they've just been a big part of our lives. And I don't know, I guess I wanted to say that. I'm gonna close the vlog. Kids are all in bed. We're gonna try to get some sleep, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for our last day in the house, our last official day, and we move out.